If you want to add an image texture to an object in Blender, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest way to apply an image to a model so you can preview textures, create materials, and start making your Blender scenes look much more realistic. This is a super useful workflow whether you're working on props, product renders, or simple scene objects. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tips and beginner-friendly tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Blender and select the object you want to add an image texture to. This can be a cube, a plane, a character model, or really any mesh in your scene. The important part is making sure the object is selected before you start, because the material will be applied to whatever is active. Next, go over to the Material Properties tab on the right side of Blender. This is the panel that looks like a red sphere. Once you're there, click New to create a new material for the object. Blender will automatically assign a default material, and now we can start connecting an image texture to it. Now look under the surface section. You'll see the base color setting, and next to it there's a small yellow dot. That yellow dot is where you can add a texture or connect an image input. Click that dot and a menu will appear with different texture options. From that menu, choose Image Texture. This tells Blender that instead of using a plain flat color, you want to use an image file as part of the material. Once you select it, Blender will add the image texture node setup for you. After that, click Open. This will bring up your file browser, where you can choose the image you want to use. Find the texture, logo, pattern, or picture you want to apply, then click Open Image. Blender will load it into the material. At this point, your image is connected to the object's material, but you may not see it clearly yet in the viewport. To view it properly, switch your shading mode to Material Preview. You can do this from the top right of the 3D viewport. Material Preview lets you see how the material and texture actually look on the object without needing a full render. Once you switch to Material Preview, your image should appear on the object, depending on the object's UV mapping and how the texture is assigned. If the image doesn't look right away, that usually means the object may need UV unwrapping or the image may need proper scaling and positioning. But for a basic image texture setup, this is the core process. So to quickly recap, select your object, go to Material Properties, create a new material, click the yellow dot beside base color, choose Image Texture, open your image file, and then switch to Material Preview to see the result. That is the fastest way to add an image texture to an object in Blender. If this Blender tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy 3D tips, shortcuts, and beginner guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.